Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you an alternative way to stop deleting your apps on your phone. So, there is a hidden iPhone feature that can free up huge amount of storage without deleting your app data. Open up settings. Inside settings, scroll below, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Wait a few seconds for everything to load and you will see which app are taking up the most space. Now choose the app you don't use often, then tap on Upload app. Now tap on Upload app one more time. This removes the app itself but keeps all documents and data safely saved on your iPhone. After you do that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Reinstall the app and everything comes back exactly the way it was. You'll still see the app icon on your phone home screen but with a small download symbol next to it. And whenever you need it again, you can just tap onto that app to install it instantly. This is perfect for apps you use really, especially large editing apps or games. But keep in mind, some games may lose progress if they are not connected to iCloud, Game Center, or an account. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.